find a way of getting off here, which I'm coming up to now. So hey, I'm liking this already. That's a plan, except that that road doesn't go that way. So that goes into the industrial park. I do not want to go to the industrial park, so I've got to go to the next one. So this is going to be fun. Come on, get out of my way. That's how to get rid of a Mercedes. Now you can see the car in front has gone over to the right to allow me past. So as we go past, I'm going to thank him to say thanks, because he was a nice guy, and then he pulls out again. So he is a very thoughtful driver in Germany. Right, there's a big lorry coming, so I'm not going to bother trying to overtake there, because that would be silly. Once I get a view, I'll be able to see what I can do. And then round one, 4, and then back to being sedate. I love these woods. It's nice being able to come out and see trees and countryside everywhere. I know it's double lines, but hey, I'm a high functioning sociopath, which actually means the rules do not apply to me. So I'm going to go up here and then keep going right. I think that would be a good, yes, that would be good. Yeah, so I'm going to go left here, Geisenfeld. Oh, a nice piece of fast road. You see what I mean? You find little treasures all the way around. Who would have guessed it, huh? I don't know what this road is, but it's beautiful. AWACS, AWACS, we have engaged bogies. Sending targeting coordinates to you now. The K1600 hunting them down. Now that's what we call pretty good. Now that is what you call a hops farm. Look at that. Beautifully maintained, as are all the vines. Next year they'll be bringing up loads and loads of hops. Never seen so many hop frames in one spot. I'm not, to be honest, I shouldn't be surprised. The Bavarians absolutely love their beer. There's the speed camera, so I was a little bit over. Right, we're heading towards Augsburg, so I am now driving well away from Ingolstadt. So what I'm going to do is when we go through here, I'm going to take a right and then start going back again that way. Geisenfeld. Okay. Right, so right, now with my long arms I'm going to reach the screen. Nope. I'm going to say take me there, because I think I was going the wrong way, and it turns out, yes Mark, you are. Instead of building a straight road between two places, they put a windy one in. That's good of them. So, if I slow down, smiley face, yes. It's not even 4 PM yet and it's already starting to lose the sun. Now when we do that, we will lose whatever warmth there is as well. I don't know what I've done or where I went wrong. I took a wrong somewhere. So according to Laura or Laurie or whatever her name is on SatNav, I'm going to be turning left shortly and going on to the B16, which was that big road I came off. So at least we'll get back there nice and quick. Ingolstadt, there it is. So up over the flyover and then down on the slip. Now I'm riding this far back from the bus because I'm just in his wing mirrors, so he can see me in his wing mirrors. Because you don't want to get closer. All right. Thank you, my friend, for letting me in. You see, nice lorry driver. Now I don't know whether you can see that, but the turbulence from riding in dirty air behind this articulated lorry is quite considerable. When we were out and had clear air, never had a problem with it. We had absolutely zero. So, fourth gear roll on. I'm doing 45. The road's now mine. And look at that, the turbulence has gone. And then just to prove the point, what we'll do, we're going to come into the dirty air behind this lorry and van, and then you'll feel the kickback coming from the turbulence. So there it is now, it's just starting. So I'm now in the dirty air.